Hello, a quick tip from Digging.com. In the next minute I'll show you how to rotate and flip shapes in PowerPoint 2016. First, draw your shape. In order to make its form regular, hold Shift button while you are drawing it. You can rotate it either by moving this arrow around or by clicking on the opposite point of the direction you want it to flip and dragging it. Now I'll show you how to flip multiple shapes simultaneously. I'll duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl+D and will select them all. Then I'll go to the search box and write Rotate Shapes. And here is the rotation tool. You can choose either one of these preset options, or you can go to more rotation options and change rotation degree manually. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and follow my channel to get even more useful tips about PowerPoint.